The cell structure. So the cell is regarded as the fundamental unit of life, or the structural and functional unit of life. It actually contains several organelles which help it to perform its functions. Now, in terms of organelles, we have organelles that are unique to both plants and animals, and then we have organelles that are unique to only plants. For plants and animals, we have the mitochondria, and the function of the mitochondria is to produce ATP. Now, ATP is the energy currency of the cell. We also have the lysosome, and the function of the lysosome is to break down worn-out organelles. Next, we have the endoplasmic reticulum, and the function of the endoplasmic reticulum depends on which type of endoplasmic reticulum you're talking about. For SER, or smooth endoplasmic reticulum, their function is to synthesize and transport lipids and steroids. For rough endoplasmic reticulum, their function is to transport proteins. For the cytoplasm, their function is to suspend cell organelles. The cytoplasm is also the site of chemical reactions. The cell membrane is saddled with the responsibility of regulating the exit and entry of materials into and out of the cells. For the nucleus controls the cell activities. Now, the function of the nucleus is intertwined with the function of the chromosome. And even though the chromosome contains genes, when we say the nucleus controls cell activities, it is through these genes that we have in the chromosome. The Golgi apparatus synthesizes and transports enzymes and hormones. The nucleolus is that dark staining region within the nucleus. Now, for organelles that are unique to only plants, we have the cell wall, and the function of the cell wall is to prevent the cell from bursting when it becomes turgid. We have the large vacuole. The function of the vacuole is to store waste products. Of course, it is possible for vacuoles to exist in animal cells, but when they are present, they are only present as very small vacuoles. The chloroplast. The function of the chloroplast is photosynthesis.